Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Slay the Spire 2 game crashes to desktop, crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen or stuck on infinite loading screen problem on PC. So here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC, just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now the next fix is to run the game from the game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to this. So you have to go to the game installation folder. Mostly the game installation folder is located at C drive, program files x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, then open common folder, and then you will find the Slay the Spire 2 game folder. Just open it, and then here you will see the Slay the Spire 2 exe file. Just double click it and then try to launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then right click on the Slay the Spire 2 exe file and then select properties, and then go to the compatibility tab and tick mark run this program as an administrator, then hit apply, OK, and then you can go ahead, launch the game from the game installation folder by double clicking this exe file and then check. If it's still not working, then tick mark run this program in compatibility mode 4, and from the drop down here select Windows 8, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game, check. If that also doesn't work, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also tick mark disable full screen optimization option and then hit on apply, OK, and then you can launch the game from the game installation folder and check. Fix 3 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Slay the Spire 2 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game because I don't have this Slay the Spire 2 game. So you have to right click on Slay the Spire 2 game file and then select properties, and then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to modify the game launch options. So you can try these launch options in the game. So open Steam, right click on Slay the Spire 2 game and then select properties, and in the general tab in the launch options you have to type this launch options. I will provide this launch option in my video description. You can copy paste it from there. So paste it here and then close the tab and then go ahead, launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, then copy paste the second code and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then you can try -dx11 or -dx12. So remove this launch option and then type -dx11, close the tab and then launch the game, check. If that also doesn't work, then type -dx12 and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Slay the Spire 2 game from your PC and then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Slay the Spire 2 game crashes to desktop, crashing at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or stuck on infinite loading screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.